Good morning. Welcome. Welcome to another live stream. Today is Monday, September 25th of 2023. Let's review the news that we have today. There's not much. We had Lagarde speaking. I don't know what she said. Certainly the market is reacting very negatively to that. All right, so let's start here. Let's review the dollar. Let's go here, review the dollar. This is a chart for the ES. So the dollar has been very bullish, right? On Friday, we did have a neutral day, even though it was kind of like retracing back down. But this is a 30-minute. This was Friday, right? Thursday, Friday. There you go. So even though it had, it was like going down here earlier in the morning, then started to go up, and the market ended up dropping for the day. Now we are above last week, right? And we're still within this supply. Now the thing that is making the market turn down is this 10-year. 10-year has been very aggressive to the upside, the rates, meaning that the bonds are being sold off big time. Okay, we are off already, but since I don't have any like close area, I'm not worried about it. I have patience. All right, so this is the 10-year. VIX is going up almost 7% today. It's been coming up real quickly. We do have some supply right here. All right. So I am a neutral bearish. I don't want to say I'm very bearish, to be honest. The only thing that makes me bearish is that I don't have any like high quality demand close by. Here's my trading. This is my trading window. The demand is right here is 43.32 and is a launching point. It's not the best high quality demand. That is what makes me a little bearish. If we close the gap, I will try to find some areas here. I do have a that's weird. That is weird. My overnights are off. You have your overnight where at? 38? Yeah. And your high? Yeah, my I draw. Yeah. Oh shit! Everything I drew, bro, is out. It's not there. You drew after you yeah. After the minute. Oh, because it didn't save. Yeah, it didn't save. The overnight high is 43.57. 43? No. It's 43.79, right? The overnight high. Oh yeah. I was looking at the wrong one. Okay, cool. So I had an overnight area that is not showing up in my chart. All right, so I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna show this one, and in the meantime, I'm going to do my work here. All right. All right, cool. I do have an area of supply. So I have that. Let me save this because my Ninja crashed earlier today. There you go. So it's saved. Oh, now I need to do the COT from yesterday. I had it, but and this thing crashed. By the way, on Friday we did have an area here, the 98 3/4, and it worked to the tick. Look at this. It was after we closed the live stream. We had this supply here, the 43.98, and it worked perfectly. Look at that. Oof, heavy. All right, so let's do the let's do this COT. All right, so we are going sideways right now. I do have a pre-market supply at 43.60, which is the close from Friday. So that'll be a gap close. I want to monitor the now there are a few signs for the long. Number one, the VIX is in supply. Number two, the dollar is in supply. Not the 10-year. The 10-year is I do not have any high quality area for the 10-year bond. But it's not that I'm long biased, just to be clear. If we happen to change course today, I'll change my bias, but for now, neutral bearish. Beto, good morning. I don't want to enter short when the dollar is behaving like this, like it's topping off right there. Let's go see the fangs. So we got to a demand on the fangs. Why? There we go. Let's see if we can break this high right here. See if we can break the 50. That'll make me a little bit more inclined to the long side. But up until we break this, we don't have any news, so I think buyers are being a little bit more aggressive than sellers. What do you say, Ella? Let's review here this. Since we opened, the opening candle was very aggressive to the downside as well as the next one. But then this one, maximum, this one, max, yeah. Hmm. Minimum delta is 400, 900. So this candle, this one at 936 is very, very bullish. 936. Let's see if we can break this to the upside. Yeah, this is a new candle. I'm gonna have to wait for it. I don't have any like sell areas up to until the gap close, which is 60. I don't want to get into this trade when this candle is going on. I'd rather just wait for the next one after 45. It did have exhaustion, right? A little bit. Sort of. Yeah, nothing spectacular. And to go to zero. To go to zero. Yeah. Advanced decline now is more coherent to the upside. A very possible scenario is breaking all these tops here at 46. So here you have this candle at 935 is where 935, check that candle, Ali. You have a minus 400 and then plus 1000 orders here. So here's where buyers became very, very strong. Oh. We have a lot of orders sitting at 43.55. 43.55. I don't want to sound boring, but I don't have anything till the gap close, which is 60 and 47 if it comes back. Now, Fang's already closed the gap. Fangs already closed the gap and they are bouncing back down. 30 seconds for the next 5. The next 5 can give us the entry here. If I'm taking this long, I want to be um, aware if sellers are being way stronger, okay, and not that the market, because the overall short time frame trend is down. Okay, so I'll be going against the short time frame trend. The longer time frame trend obviously is still up, even though we have been dropping lately, but the daily still has some areas of demand. So I want to be careful here, and I don't want to see like very strong selling, which I don't see right now. I'm just checking the footprint. Let me see what's going on in this one. Here's the latest top news. But this serum is on the do not disturb mode. That's it. That's a retracement for the 5 minutes. 57, 56 points. Yeah, a bunch of sell orders came in. A bunch of sell orders came in here in this candle. They're getting run out buyers. Now the tech chart is crossing to the positive line. Advanced line is going up. So the long is, to be honest, the best option for now. Are you going to give us a short? Yeah. Not against this. No, I need to see a seller stepping in, to be honest. No. No, I don't. That same supply in the fangs, bro, is above, is way above. So tick is bouncing off of 0 to the downside. Still, buyers are stronger than sellers. Hmm? 5 seconds for a new 5 minutes. Nice. Yeah. Bro, buyers are very aggressive. Anyone has taken any trade? No? Silent? Silence? Hmm. Not much interaction today. All right, so we're getting to close to 60. Look at the dollar, man. At least I would like the dollar at 86, 105.86 for this thing to work. Advanced decline coming back from the woods. Minus 1800, now is minus 573. Hmm. All right, this is it. Wow. You're in it? But where? Uh, I'm looking for reject 59. Mm. Yeah, sellers are active there. There's a lot of selling happening at 58. But at this point, I think I'm gonna wait for the next 30, which is in 5 minutes. This is the first short area that I have, 60, and it's just a gap close. The dollar is still fairly bullish. It's retracing a little bit, and this is causing the market to go up. I want to say probably above the overnight high. Oh, overnight high? No, forget about it. Overnight high is 79. Yeah. You're out of it? Yeah, your timing is not very good. We're close to 10 a.m. Yeah. You're out of it? Yeah. So we're finally getting to the supply. I want to see some sellers stepping in if I want to take this. Um, any sign of exhaustion? No. Any sign of divergence? No. So I don't know. Probably this supply won't work. Um, I certainly have a very high volume candle. Yeah, sellers are unexistent there. Yes. Sellers have no influence for now. Yeah. Dollar continues to drop, but it hasn't gotten to the point where I want it. Advanced decline is not even coughing, bro. Look at that. Yeah. All right. So sellers are coming in finally. Yeah. Little bit late. If this goes above 62, I don't think it's a good. Yeah. I don't think this is a good sign. So sellers are trying to step in here, but buyers are being aggressive still. So new 30-minute is about to open. Nah. Well, yes. Yes. Sellers are coming in, but the thing is, buyers are absorbing everything. They should have dropped by now. And the fact that we have the last minute of the 5 minute is not a good sign. I think it's the stop loss for me. You know what? Yes, sellers are here, but they have no strength. The new 30. Yeah, I'm out of it. How much was I risking, by the way? Not even risking the entire area. 2 points. Bro, I'm making the same mistake as Friday. Look at that. Just 2 points of risk. I got in late as well. Fortunately, I just risked very, very low, like $20 per account. So a lot of selling there, a lot. There's a lot of selling, bro. So I want to see if. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Oh my goodness. This is so annoying. Friday, same situation. They stopped me out, and so I need to reassess here. I'm doing something wrong. Same situation as Friday, bro. Look at that. Look at where they stopped me out. You see that? Huh? Shit. I would have gotten target though. I like 2 to 1 here. Yeah. 58. Fuck. Okay, it was a good trade. It's just my stop was fucking tight. Huh? See that? I don't mind losing. I mind losing like this. Huh? When they stop me out and then it goes like and it's happening to me very often lately. Huh? Yeah. My last trade was identical. What? see if we have a retracement on the next five. Hmm. No aggressive sellers there. I'm just paying attention to see if I can short again, but there's nothing. No. Alright, I'm in short. Oh shit, I'm risking too much. Yeah, I didn't calculate the risk here. Oh my god. And the calculator is shut off. Yeah, yeah, very bad decision making today. Not in my best mental state, apparently. Momentum is to the upside, and I'm shorting. And I just want to keep shorting because I didn't take the long, and they stopped me out of the short. So right now, out of the gate, my mental state is not good. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, and I got out. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I didn't because I want to win, and I just screw it up. And sometimes happens to me. Um, it's just fuck. So my first trade was not a bad trade. My entry was not optimal. They stopped me out here to the fucking tick. Now on the second trade, I saw the aggressive selling. I got in, and but I don't know why I had three contracts and my smart risk was shut, but was toggled down, was toggled off, and yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, my mental state is not there today. Crazy. Just just having good areas, good read out of the market, but I'm losing money. That's is stupid, but it is what it is. I can take just one more opportunity and I'll be out. But I don't like the. I don't know. This area is still working, but I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. Hmm. You have taken anything, Nadik? Oh shit. Again, I'm seeing the market moving without me having the right areas. So I need to readjust. Something is going on with my trading strategy. The market is changing and I'm not adapting. I hope everything is okay. Are you okay? Yeah, so sellers are aggressive at 60. They're getting very aggressive. Okay, cool. Mm, I am very frustrated, to be honest. Twice short at the right areas and I don't capitalize. I'm 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 getting fooled by randomness here. I think that's it for me. Two losers on Friday, so four losers in a row. I need to step back and see what's going on. There we go. So, but no trades for me. No more trades. Like my mental state is too damaged at this point. The frustration that I feel here of this stopped out and then this one as well is freaking amazing. So I'm gonna just stay away. Recognize that I'm not in my best state of mind. To the upside? No. Yes. A little bit, yeah. But the tick is not exhausted. Well, it's minus, yeah, it's minus 700. Hmm? Now, to be honest, I think the short is a better trade. I think it's a better trade right now. I still with it. I still need to retrace back to 40. He came to 52. So buyers are gonna try to defend this pivot. Yeah, no, it's aggressive selling. Where's your target? My target is 51. I got enough. There you go. He's getting exhausted a little bit. Nice. Good trade, bro. At least someone is making money today, not me. Bro, don't be so harsh. Bro. Don't be so harsh on yourself. What the fuck? Oh, I mean, how to? You know the mistakes. It's not like you don't know what you're doing wrong. You know what you're doing wrong and prove it. Don't be so harsh. Is it like Friday? On Friday? Okay, I want you to see my H1. I want you to see my H1 because this is amazing. All right, on Friday, I have a comment here on this one. Look at this thing. The first thing I put, first thing, stop is too tight. I wanted to size up, so a risk too little. Volatility is increasing. Need to readjust my risk. And I didn't readjust it. I didn't do shit today. Like I just did the same thing. Literally, I did on Friday. I had good trades, good winning trades, but my stop was too tight. Volatility is going up. I need to readjust. Hmm. Hmm. Want a coffee? I do, yeah. Throw this away. All right, so I've taken two trades, two shorts here, one, two, and I did lose money on both this one and this one. This one, yeah, the entry was not very good, but this one, yeah, my stop was too tight. Even in this one, like I risked 2.5 points. Yeah, yeah, I need to reassess. I need to 16. Yeah, I need to reassess. I need to understand that the market volatility is going up. Nadik, you're in it? Hmm. Wow. Dollar is skyrocketing, bro. Why is that? You feel bad for what happened to me? Shit. 10 years, 4.53. No bueno. Oh, okay. Gotcha. No worries. All right. So we are gapping down. Sorry. We are coming down and we are building value. We are building value around 43.50. So that means that the market is accepting lower prices. And what is the most likely scenario in the future is prices to continue to go down. If we start building value lower and lower, we will continue lower and lower. Let's see what happens today if we actually build value below or we bounce back up. That's very important. Mhm. So new 30 minutes. Sellers are trying to push this thing down. I think I'm gonna take one contract here. Oh. No. What's going on? What is going on? It didn't let me take any. Yes, I did. What is this? Why it closed me the trade here? It's not showing. It's not. What? Yeah, it's not letting me trade. Why? What's going on with my ninja?
We were full, right? You didn't take anything?
I did take one, but look, the platform is not letting me. But look at this. It stopped me out right away after.
You took it long, short?
No, short here, but it stopped me out right there. Look at that. That's weird. Crazy. Bro, you ran out of water or what?
Yeah, no sé, no sé cómo tiene esa máquina, marico.
Porque tan poquito.
Estaba peleando con la máquina, no sé cómo
Cock,
es esa
bro.
vaina.
What is this coffee?
Yo no sé cómo es esa vaina. Yo sí sé, coño.
Bro, what happened to the sugar? No sugar.
Ah, coño.
No,
what?
what? Yeah, my word. Yeah. Just a little bit. The fuck, bro?
Bueno, pero no me quiero agarrar.
No, I.
Ya. Te voy a tener que quitar el mouse, bro.
No,
Pon esa
vale.
vaina en mute. Pon esa vaina en mute. Gonna get ugly.
No, vale, creo. No, vale.
It is what it is, bro. You can, like I tell you all the time, you can walk out your analysis was right. This is your entries.
Yeah, but what?
And it wasn't even your entry on the first trade, it was just your stop loss. Which
My stop loss here.
it should have been when this sum was invalidated. And you're risking 3 points, yes. But
yeah, but the
once
thing
you
is,
know your analysis is not right, then the trade is not right. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, for sure. No, but what if I would have taken this? Because I'm starting to think the zone is the way to go, bro. To be
Half of the
honest,
zone, yeah.
half of the zone is the way to go all the time.
Well, you took it on the board. Yeah, you took it at 62.
I took it at 62, yeah.
That's the entry was not a bad.
No, the first one was a very good trade. Was a very good entry.
You took what? 1.5? What? I mean, you got stopped out, but well, how much was
Two.
it? 2 points?
Yeah.
Feet?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's
Oh, you got stopped.
it is. And Friday same shit, bro. Huh? Six.
You know, my first trade I took it with 5 contracts, and then my second trade I took it with 1 contract.
Why was that?
Because I forgot to put 5 contracts in the second trade.
Oh, I thought you were lowering your size.
No, I'm doing the test. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't care. Like I said, I don't care about the money yet.
Yeah, no. What about the money? It's fucking bullshit. Yeah. To be honest, bro, this does not look pretty to the upside. If this candle does not close above here, 68, around 67, 68. No bonito.
No bueno.
No. Never got to the 4750 either. This is pretty sideways. But now the dollar dropped. Look at the fucking dollar.
What do you have in 47?
I have a demand traded at the open. Oh, yo sé qué pasó, Ale.
Yeah.
I took it here in this ES, and the shit after I got in immediately closed it.
Oh, you took it in the
In the ES. Huh? Not the
Yes.
micro ES. Huh?
¿Y por qué? Because of your
Maximum loss, yeah.
See,
73.
bro, I saw that how much you get? 1 tick? You lost 1 tick of the limit?
Yeah.
It
It was basically in and out.
uh,
Yeah, so it's good because it helps me not taking I mean
strategies.
yeah.
Dile sobre el novio.
Huh?
Dile sobre el novio. Promote your video.
What's the meaning of promoting a video, bro?
¿Y what are you taking? ¿Por qué tomaste en 10?
Because I was in this screen and I got a signal here. I got in here.
Oh, you took it in
in this
footprint.
chart. This chart. Yeah.
Are you gonna start trading like that?
Yeah.
Are you gonna start trading with the footprint?
No. I mean, I do use the footprint
yeah.
though. Yeah. So that's it's been my trigger lately.
¿Y por qué no No puedes, no pones el footprint en este o en esta, si no tienes que ver para allá.
Para arriba.
Sí, si no lo tienes como más rápido.
No, marico, estoy bien así. No, ya sé, esto lo veo. Lo que tengo es el dedo en el trigger aquí. I have my
No.
finger detrás y I'm watching here. So,
In the
no.
first trade, were you looking at the footprint? Or,
Yeah,
or just...
yeah, completely. Look at this. This is 957. So if you see 957 here, 957. Look at this. Look at this. Plus 442 minus 390. And I got in here. The next one is negative as well. The following candles are. Look at this one. Look at the candle that they stopped me out from 560 to minus 117.
Like it went like.
Yeah, no, they stopped me out and literally they sold off that shit. And look at this, boom, minus 1600. Right now it's building value. I wanted to take this 47 right at this can. No, my idea was, you see this, right? My idea of these 5 minutes, if these very 5 minutes came down, I was not taking it. But if the next candle would have gone here, I would have taken it. ¿Entiende? Yeah, but it's not even coming here. Now, look at this candle. This is 940. This 940 is very aggressive. Mira esto. 940.
647.
Yeah, from no, sorry, it's this one. It's this one. 936. This is the 5 minute, but let's go to the 1 minute. Este. 936. Look at 936 minus 400 to plus 1000. Huh? You see that?
Yeah, it's a
And it hasn't come back yet.
So there's still a lot of contracts.
I do think, yeah, no, I do think this is a very good buying spot. 47.50.
How much did we get? We got 248.
49. 48 3/4. Yeah.
Ooh,
Bless you.
thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, if you see here, 936 plus 1000 to minus um sorry, to minus 400 to plus 1000, and then we managed to close above here. On the next one, 500, 300, 500 in this one. So at this point, when we broke to the upside on this one, I put an order here of 47.50, but I never came back. I'm gonna leave this. Bro, you have a divergence, a micro divergence on the advanced decline. Hmm?
Yeah. Little pullback.
Hmm. This one, no, here. Not to go
Oh
long,
yeah,
to
yeah,
go
yeah.
short. Huh? You see that?
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
This whole thing, right?
No,
Yeah, but
from 39, 1039.
yeah, this whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Too short.
Yeah. Look at this. So you have this high here, and then you have this. See that? That's so good. It is so good. Even for short-term trades, it works big time.
straight.
Oh, yeah. Fires are 2. Ah, marico, bueno, ¿qué vamos a hacer poco a poco?
Claro, lo que te dije a la gente de tu análisis.
Yeah, los trades are not good. I know. It was Oasis. What?
Yeah.
Tactics and execution is the one that you saw.
No, it's just setups and execution.
Setups and executions. Yeah, I think I need to rewatch that like 10 times. Execution, mostly.
Very misleading. He told you. He says in the what he said it was.
What?
Cuando hay handles that move this aggressive, that aggressive move is not gonna change. So eventually you get exhausted. That's why I took this straight. Lo que pasó, lo que pasó aquí, lo que pasó aquí es lo que quería que pasara aquí, ¿me entiendes? And we come back.
Pero por eso los niveles no. Sí.
No, bro, yo tenía. I had this resistance.
Bueno, ¿eso qué?
Esto es 61. Entre 3 puntos, antes un poquito de fomo. Tú realmente la después de aggressive hand y ya, como tú sabes, la misma entrada que tú. Pero 2.5 puntos. Puntos over on this side.
Marico, en la casa está volviendo más volátil. Tenemos que downsize y un poquito más de puntos. Un punto y medio imposible. ¿No?
No, un punto medio imposible. Sí. Un punto medio
imposible.
Mínimo por lo menos 2.5.
Sí, por lo menos 3.
Yeah, your size down.
¿Ah?
Your size down.
Your size down. Yeah.
Pero en el último le habla que jode el order.
Sí, ahorita lo vemos.
I think I'm gonna get the new monitor this week. So I can have the bookmark and the footprint.
So you're gonna put the footprint?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the footprint.
Oh, you're gonna add a monitor? Yeah, I think you need it. Although you have everything, but you execute on the.
I execute on this 5 minute, which not really.
Yeah, you want to see it, but
this is the one I use the most. This is the one I use.
Mm-hmm.
Have the internals and the. But I want to have one with the bookmark. Lo que puedo hacer es poner esta, pongo aquí, pongo el arm y pongo eso así como la. O lo volteo, no sé.
Do you execute it with a bookmark or no? I mean, you use the bookmarks some point today or no?
No.
Okay.
I do have it open.
Para ver. Look at that. What is that red line? Baba. Yeah. I have 47.50. New 30-minute in 10 seconds.
Sí, pero voy a tratar de buscar cursos de para. Del
bookmark.
You can add it to your arsenal.
Yeah, the long does not look very pretty. Although I do have an area at 47.50, but yeah, I'm out of the game now. Like I'm not trading anymore today. Um, yeah, I think this is not a bad entry. 47.50. Advance decline. Although momentum is to the downside.
Harold.
Sí. Pero y tú sabes que este va a ser, marico, 10 hard. ¿Ah? Tú sabes, ¿no?
Te va a llegar al highball no más. Te llega hasta decir el target.
No, marico, ya es that 4360 is invalidated. That shit is forget about it. Forget about that. Target should be around here, overnight high.
Mira, por aquí lo vas a ganar.
Sí, sí, tú vas a ver. What is the 30-minute? Oof, 30-minute does not look pretty.
It's really important that we hold 50, 45.50 or 45.40. It's really important that we hold 45.40, 45.30. 43.
Oh, 43. Oh, yeah.
43,
yeah, I have 30 as
if
my.
not, then that shit looks ugly, really weird.
Yeah, but in reality, I don't have anything like high. Yeah, I don't have anything high quality, bro. We have a gap there, and below the gap, bro, everything is 4,200. It's 100 more points.
Below this, bro, I think we could see a 200. We break below this 330.
Yeah.
It's the ugly for market.
4,200. It'll be 10% down from the highs, from the recent highs. No bueno.
I think since this highs, we're down like 7%, 8%.
Yeah, it's
all-time highs.
That's not all-time highs.
This?
No.
Oh shit! Right.
No, that's not all-time highs by any means. All-time
highs
fucking
is
highs.
2021, yeah.
Yeah, it's 4,800, I think, something around that.
I don't remember shit, bro. Everything it was going up like crazy. Yeah, but 2021 rally was a bubble.
2021.
Because the
yeah, 2021 was it? 2022.
That's when the bubble started popping.
Yeah.
Because the checks, the ¿cómo se llama eso? The financial aid by the government have not kicked in.
Yeah, like
the checks that they were sending out to people.
The stimulus checks.
The stimulus checks. They hadn't kicked in yet in the market.
Like everyone was putting money in the market. Thank you guys for being here. I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel or share to other people so we can reach more traders. We showed the reality of trading. I had 2 losing trades today, even though my analysis was correct. I'm very frustrated, so I just stopped trading because my decision matrix is basically impaired by the situation, right? Like I don't mind losing. I'm trying to get better at losing. But sometimes it's humanly impossible to hide your emotions when you have good trades and you get stopped out for mistakes that I made myself. Like I got stopped out here. Like here, trying to risk too little to try to make more. And here my entry was very bad. My entry was not optimal. What if I would have gone here? Still 2 3/4. I'm not risking 2 3/4. Not because I don't want to. It's because I'm when I'm putting a trade, I get greedy, and I need to change that immediately. Immediately, if I want to profit off of this market. And this one was just a glitch here on my Ninja, so I did not take this trade. Um, huh. That's it. Did you click like, Natic? Make all your family subscribe to the channel, bro. Your mom that is coming from the US, make her subscribe to my channel, please. All right, so look how close came to my thing. It's not my system. It's not my system. Is my And by the way, I'm coming out with a with a position sizing video in the afternoon, and it's so weird. Like, I learned a lot making the video, but I'm learning a lot about the video trading myself here. And what happened to me on Friday and what happened to me today is just what I said in the video. Um, so I do recommend you watch that video. is very good. It's coming out in the afternoon on today. Um, it's not my system. I don't think my system is out of shape. I think my system is good. I mean, I could profit off of this market. Now I'm making mistakes has nothing to do with my system. It's just myself. Just want to get greedy, risk very little, and try to make more money. That's it. And as a consequence, I'm losing money. And that's the truth. I don't want to be sound like egotistic or something. It's just the market humbles you. When do you think do you have everything solved? It humbles you. Like Friday and today, I shouldn't be losing money, but I am. I need to reflect on that. So here I had 47.50. It got to 3/4. So yeah, this is a very good area to buy. Buyers are active here around this area. But let's see if sellers have the strength to push prices down. Wow. Look at Van's decline, bro. Look at Van's decline. Flying. Olvídate. Olvídate de eso. Mira eso. Wow. Wow, a lot of volume there. Now momentum shifted to the upside, big time. Let's see if sellers are strong enough here at 60. Well, they are being. They are. They are trying. They are trying.
Olvídalo vivo.
Bro, tú sabes que voy a arreglar este café que me hiciste, bro. This is so bad. I'm gonna go
He's
make a
complaining
cue.
about my coffee.
Yeah. All right. I'm coming out in 2 minutes. Okay. Coming back in 2 minutes.
Okay, once you get further, bro,
Why is it? Yeah. Yeah, finally the dollar got to a level that might retrace a little bit. There you go. Look at the fangs. Look at the freaking fangs. Look at the freaking fangs. Yeah. Here we have exhaustion. Or no?
We did.
Where at? Oh yeah.
I've noticed in the past days that exhaustion could be very, very misleading.
Misleading. So you took another trade?
No, it's a good thing.
Oh. Look at that shit, bro. Yeah. Yeah, so 4750, definitely a good area here. Wow. All the stops, man. Look how many stops there at 67, bro. That's bueno. That's very good. I think it's healthy that we don't keep dropping. Huh?
Yeah, we dropped too much.
Wow. Buyers are now very aggressive. Big time. We do have overnight low at 79.50.
Mira, bueno, tengo un pana que estaba. Pana que estaba. Él tiene una moto
Mm-hmm.
y fue una pista, marico. Le tomaron fotos arrechas. Y
Mm-hmm.
él mira lo que le pasó. Mira lo que le pasó.
¿Qué es eso, huevón? ¿Se cayó?
Se cayó de la.
Nah, huevona. ¿Y se lastimó?
No, no pasó nada, gracias a Dios. Mira. Nadie, es muy raro. Este es el pana del grabando.
Mm.
Marico.
Y él no tenía cámara, como un GoPro o algo.
No sé, él tenía una, pero no sé. Creo que cuando se cayó no la tenía puesta.
Ah, shit.
And marketing is strong.
Yep.
That's good. You need to keep going up to keep going down.
Think so. My launching point is we're at 32. But I think a buy here, Ale, is not bad. Like 60 again, around here.
60.
Mm-hmm. Like 58.50.
Yeah. Your order sitting at orders at 66. A lot of orders. At 71. Where? Wow. Yeah, we can get a retracement back to 6.
No, well, now, bro. For one tick, they didn't fill me in the long. Un tick. Mira esa mierda. Ah, marico, 5 directo. Cuando era un trade sin, marico, métela a la casa.
Cuando empezás así, marico, méteme. Pero ¿por qué no agarras esos trades?
¿Cuál?
Los simples porque no se agarran así cuando.
Marico, because alright, so look at this area. It's 6 points. How am I gonna risk 6 points? It's $30 with 1 micro. Huh?
And trade 1 micro.
So I could yeah, 2 to 1. Look at that shit. Easy. No sweat. Here. Yeah, here's where you see how good is the long today. Look at this proportion. Like 6. Look at that shit. 7. Yeah, 7. 7.521. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap up here. See you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to follow me, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you think we're doing a good job here. And share to other people to see if we can reach more traders. All right, thank you for being here. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Trade safe.